Hello. It's today, Friday, the 20th of November 2020, and you are joining in at the intermediate class of LBallet. You see, as the dancers are Esme and Sanne, welcome. The pianist is Gerard, welcome. And our technique is today from Paul. And we are starting for the fourth time this class with the left leg in a battement tendu à la seconde, and we close. À la seconde, the supporting leg is bending when the heel leaves the floor, and sur le coup de pied in, holding. And 6, développé from the lower leg to the front, from the back leg coming back. Doing it again, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, holding 1 and 2, and stretch the leg and close. The same in sur le coup de pied back, going to the back, going to the back, then demi-plié, going over, stretch, second arm, above the head, and your fingertips are bending your back in front of your hips, coming up, opening, demi-plié over the same side, bending, demi-plié, turning, stretching, stretching, going up. You got the rhythm, huh? Okay. To the side, away from your right shoulder and closing, hand out, coup de pied, holding, opening for 2 counts, 2 full counts, to the front, and close. Yes, I'm away. Out, and close, and plie, and up, holding. Come with your thigh to me, Asana. Yes, fine. Now lower leg to the front. Little toe closes in. Again. Out. Close. Hold your left buttock. Sur le coup de pied derrière. That means behind. Little toe. Upwards to the ceiling. And 1 and 2. The inside leg, Esme. Opening, opening, get it open. Open your knee, open your thigh. To the back and close. Demi-plié over your foot. Stretch right arm to third. And a big letter C. Go, 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 go. Come up and opening. And arm and up and far away, Sanne. Go, 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 go on. And demi-plié, turn, 2, 3, hanging, your crown to the floor, tailbone to me, come forward, yes, fine, and come up, turn, out, and lifting over, 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 holding, shake a little now, and come up. And now really first arms down, and they're picking up the feet. Arms, yes, that's good. Going up. Reach. Hold your back open side. Allonge and down. Fine. Yeah, very good. You feel can see it. Okay. Pliés. 2 grand pliés in first, in second, in fourth, opposite fifth, and in fifth. The last one ends on susu, so both legs up, port de bras front, back, turning, other side. Paul, is it cute to have all 3 of us? Yeah, okay. Okay. There we go. And out and forth and don't stop in your demi-plié. Tendu and try to go on. Try to go on. Yes, that's better. And now you need to stop because you make a susu relevé and go front. 2. And hold your back leg and going up, up, up. Coming back, turning 1, holding 2. Hold. Plie side. And 1, 2, 3. Going on. Yes, no pause on 3. With the first one. Yeah, now you hit it. Hold your inside shoulder and yes, that's good. Now you understand. Susu. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Fine. Go, 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 go. Yes. Turn. Opening. Open your back. Allonge and close legs. Yeah, I could see you were understanding me, but I do not know if the people at home understand me. So be careful not to build in a pause when you're coming from the grand plié back up in the demi-plié. I saw at first you did ti da di da di da 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 di da di da 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 di da di da dum. That's not right. And I can imagine why, because after the second one you have to make this tendu. So you must be very aware that you do and going on and on and on and on and on and on and never there is going on. But then you need this stop because you are going from here in the tendu. So be careful with it, not to build in a stop in every grand plié when you're coming back in the demi-plié. Okido, battement tendu. From the 5th to the front, ta-da-dee.